Hi there, I'm Chris Canty, cybersecurity consultant and founder of Wonders. Welcome back to the Harder to Hack Guide. In the previous video, we discussed why your email account is like the central hub of your digital world. It's where you receive password reset requests, login confirmations, alerts, and it often holds the keys to accessing your contacts and other accounts. That's why we're starting our journey here, to build a strong foundation for the rest of the security steps. In this video, we're diving into the first action of securing your email account, creating a strong and unique password or passphrase. A strong password is one that's hard for another person or computer to guess. Ideally, it has many characters or words and some randomness. This means it doesn't include any personal information like names, birthdays, or favorite colors. A unique password is one that you only use for one account, so the password you create for your email should only be used for your email and nothing else. So why do we need strong and unique passwords? Well, modern computers are powerful enough to guess millions of passwords in a very short time. Bad actors can use tools to rapidly guess your passwords, sometimes even using information they collect about you. That's why we need something really random, long, and strong. Now, a strong password could look like this, but I have an even easier option, a passphrase. A passphrase is a series of random words like this. You could do this on your own, but to make it easier to create a strong, unique passphrase, we're going to use a password generator. For this example, we use the one from Bitwarden. First, go to the Bitwarden password generator website. You can use the URL or QR code here, or I've also included the link in the written guide that accompanies this video on hardertohack.com. On the password generator page, change the type to passphrase. Then I recommend setting the length to 5 or more, but do it as long as you can handle. The longer the passphrase, the stronger it is. Next, check the include number box to add a number to your passphrase. This makes it even harder to guess. If your email service requires it, you can also check the capitalize box to add a capital letter. Finally, click Generate to create your passphrase. You can click Generate again if you want to see a different passphrase. Once you have your new passphrase picked out, we're going to do something that may feel a bit non-technical. We're going to write it down on paper. But not just any paper, and definitely not a post-it note that you stick to your desk or screen. Find a note card or something similar. Write down your passphrase and store it somewhere safe, like a wallet or a locked drawer. Avoid using spreadsheets or documents on your computer, notes apps on your phone, or password managers built into your web browsers. We're going to be setting up better tools for managing your passwords later in this guide, but for now let's start with a simple note card, where we'll store this passphrase and a few others we create in the meantime. You can learn more about why I recommend this temporary paper method on the Harder to Hack site, if you're curious. Now on to the last bit of this step. We're going to update your email account with your new passphrase. For this example, we'll use Gmail. Log into your Gmail account and go to the security settings. Find the Signing into Google section and click on Password. On the next screen, enter your new passphrase in the new password field, and enter it again in the confirm new password field, and then click change password. And there you have it. You've just taken a significant step in securing your email account by creating a strong, unique passphrase. I've included links to instructions for changing your password on other common email providers in the written guide that accompanies this video on hardertohack.com. Remember, this is just the beginning. In the next step, we'll be setting up multi-factor authentication to add another layer of protection. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you there.